So this is a practice video for trying to do Screencast-O-Matic for your National Park project. So as you can see, what you're going to be doing is you will go to screencast-o-matic.com. You will sign up. It is free. So when you get on there, you'll go to my video. You'll have to hit start recorder and you'll have to download a program. And it's just called Screen Recorder Launcher. And if it doesn't seem like it does it correctly the first time, it does say that you have to run it again after the fact. So when you get it, you're actually going to get this box that you can move around on your screen. And so that's what's allowing me to, figure out the size of the screen that I want. You can adjust it before you start recording, but once you start recording it, you can't adjust it any longer. So this is where we're going to be working on this. Now I'm going to be editing this. You do have the opportunity for editing, but what's really cool about this is that I can now pull up my PowerPoint and record everything that I'm doing and show it like a regular slide. So when you do your project for your national parks video, you can still run through the screen and you can, I had a lot of do nows on this, you can do your presentation, but you can talk and you don't have to worry about YouTube or anything like that. And you can basically manipulate this however you would like, the way you normally would on your computer, which is really cool. So you are going to be doing your national park project. This is going to be submitted by video on May 28th, the latest. All of the directions that you need are right here, and it will be shared with you. We will be picking a national park that you'll choose from. Everybody's doing a different one. There are more than even I've listed here. However, you have to run it past me first if you choose one that's not on this list, and I have my expectations. I'm actually in the process of trying to discuss how to record the video, but I figured it would actually probably be easier if I just showed you how to do it. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I'm excited to look at this project with you guys. Bye.